This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, November the 16th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a storm system off to our south and east producing some showers and thunderstorms, some of which were severe yesterday afternoon and evening over Texas, with another storm system moving into the Pacific Northwest. Watch warning map from just before midnight, a remnant tornado watch over Louisiana and Mississippi, and some winter weather issues over the Pacific Northwest, while the rest of the nation is fairly quiet at this time. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days, this is through Sunday evening at 6 o'clock, shows the heaviest amounts of precipitation to our south and east, over the deep south and off over the Pacific Northwest, while here we could see from nothing over the south to a quarter of an inch over the north. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 6 p.m. this evening. You'll see a trough over the center part of the country with another one moving into the Pacific Northwest, and with that, storm to the south and east and storm moving into the Pacific Northwest. Here we'll see some cooler conditions than yesterday with highs struggling into the lower to mid 40s. We head off into Thursday. Winds begin to switch around to the south and west after fairly cold lows Thursday morning in the lower 20s and even maybe a few upper teens, with temperatures rising into the middle to upper 40s to near 50. Whereas Friday we could see temperatures well into the upper 40s to middle 50s with south winds at about 10 to 20 miles per hour, with increasing clouds from a new storm system off to our west, which comes in on Saturday and into Saturday night with mainly rain across the state. If there's any snow, it'll be across the far northwestern counties of the state and up into northern Minnesota and the Dakotas. While on Sunday the storm is now off to our east and cooler conditions prevail with high pressure over southwestern Minnesota, with a new storm system moving into the west. We head off into Monday to start off the new work week. The frontal system south of the state producing some rain there. Here, high pressure and control, temperatures in the 40s to around 50. Tuesday, new storm system begins to develop on the frontal system with rain across the southern plains and southern Midwest down into the deep south. We head off into a week from today, Wednesday, big travel day, the day before Thanksgiving. That storm system over the south moves northeastward into the Ohio Valley. It's likely going to miss the state, with mainly the rain south and east of the state, with the heaviest rain over the Ohio and Tennessee Valley, while here looks to be warm, highs in the lower to middle 50s, which will be a far cry. We head further into Voodoo. Here's the 26th. You can see trough moving in once again with some cooler air coming in with it. And at the surface you can see storm system leaving with some possibilities of some snow to end the Thanksgiving holiday weekend, with some showers and thunderstorms over the deep south into the Ohio and Tennessee Valley. And at the end of the forecast, December the 1st, we have a big trough over the west with a vortex over Southern California digging in there, southwesterly winds aloft, and at the surface looks to be seasonal, highs likely around the 40s, with the new storm system looking like it's going to affect us from the south and west later into December. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.